Finally, CAT exam registration will open from August 3rd and it will remain open till September 15th. So this is the period in between you can register if you are preparing for CAT exam, right? And the website I have mentioned, iimcat.ac.in. Okay, so on August 3rd, you can go to this website and register yourself for the exam, right? And these are the things that you need to have. We can call them prerequisites, right? So valid email ID and mobile number. Make sure that a valid email ID is there. That email ID is yours only, right? And a mobile number wherein you will get OTPs, OTP and all other important updates. Okay. Personal details, academic details, work experience, your recent photograph. The format should be, JPG, JPG format should be there. Signature, your category, PWD, EWS certificates, and which cities you would prefer for the exam, right? City centers, which are the centers that you would prefer. So that list you need to have handy with you. So these are the things that you need. You can take a screenshot of this, right? Moving ahead. Now, these are the 9 steps that you can follow while registering, right? So new candidate registration, as you will open the URL, there will be, you will see the website and you have to register by entering all the details. You will get an OTP to confirm your email and mobile number. So you can confirm that. Once you are in, you can log in with all your details. You can enter your personal details, academic information, work experience, upload documents and make sure those documents are in the format which they have prescribed, right? To avoid any problems, you can select program and test cities. Which cities, you know, you can select IIM specific program if you want to apply for, and the cities which you would like to apply for, right? You can review the form. You can review the form. You can check all the details are correct, pay the application fees, and download confirmation that you are registered for the system. So these are the easy 9 steps, and I believe each and every student will be able to follow this. Right? Then these are the common mistakes that students make while registering, and you need to avoid these mistakes. So as I have said, the email ID should and mobile number should be correct. This is the number one mistake that most of the students commit and later they regret. So you have to avoid this. Then entering wrong personal information. Make sure name, spelling, everything is correct. Date of birth is correct. Right? Then incorrect academic details, CGPA, invalid experience details, file naming should be correct, and the format should be correct as well. Then you can't wait till the last day. You can't wait till the last day. So make sure that you register early. Payment issue, these are the common things like payment issue. You have to upload the category information. If you belong to PWD, EWS, or any specific category, you have to upload those certificates, right? Then you have to select the test cities and you have to review the form before submitting. So these are the steps, and there will be a correction window which will be provided, right? So once the application is done, you will receive an SMS and an email that you are registered for the exam, and you will receive all the updates on your email address and mobile number from IIM. All right. So window will be there as I've said. So in this correction window, there will be a small correction window wherein you can correct if anything you have entered wrongly or you want to correct. You can correct in that period, right? Then November 4th, your admit card will be there. So you can download the admit card and you can keep multiple copies of it. You can verify all the details are correct and mentioned correctly on your admit card. Right? Exam center location also you can check on the admit card. And this admit card usually, 4 to 6 weeks before the examination. So it will be precisely, I think, November 4 is the date when you will receive your admit card, right? So these are all the details, and I hope this video will be useful for all the CAT aspirants. Goodbye.